Hey guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. In this DIY video, I'm going to show you just how to extract your old power steering fluid and replace it with some new CHF 11S. Now, not all BMWs run the exact same fluid. If you need to know what fluid exactly your BMW is running, just go ahead and look on your power steering cap. It'll tell you just exactly what fluid to run. They're usually CHF 11S, so therefore, once you can check that, then you can make sure you order the correct fluid. Now, just like with anything else, I source everything through fcpero.com because of the lifetime replacement guarantee, right? And that includes oil, fluid, anything on their website. So when I'm ready to change out my power steering fluid yet again, I will be covered. So I'll drain out my old fluid, put the new fluid in, take the old fluid, put it in that new container, send it back to SC Bureau, fill out the reimbursement form and all that kind of stuff, and I'll be able to get my money back. That is how it's part of the lifetime replacement guarantee. When you're ready to change again, that's when you're going to be good to go. So to be able to extract the old power steering fluid out of the car, what I use and what I've always used, I use this for the clutch reservoir when I had a manual transmission car, and then of course the brake fluid reservoir, and then now the power steering reservoir. I just use a syringe mixer here. You can pick this up pretty much anywhere. I'll drop it in the description box below, and of course I'll drop the exact same CHF 11S from SC Bureau down in the description box below as well. Now I am at an incline, so I'm taking a measurement to where it is currently right now, and then I will park it down on the street so that way it's on level ground, and then we'll make sure it's on the second fill line. So let's go ahead and jump over to the engine bay. Let's get this pretty easy DIY started. All right, once you have it on, you're going to go ahead and take your mixer here, put your hose on the bottom here. Now, this is where I was saying as far as on the cap itself. As you can tell, CHF 11S only. This top line right here, that's going to be to know that you're topped off. So it's a matter of sticking in here, start extracting the old fluid. So just like that, take it from the reservoir and then down to my little drain bucket. All right. And then it'll be pretty much good. So here you're going to have all your old fluid. You're going to want to dispose of that accordingly. Take your new CHF 11S fluid. We'll go ahead and fill it all in. As you saw, that fluid is green. So the CHF 11S fluid is green. I'm going to show you how to mix it through the system, and then we'll drain it out again, and you'll see that it's going to be dark yet again. Alright, since we started it up, turned the wheel on both sides, it's going to mix the fluid all in throughout the whole system, and therefore we're going to drain it out and then fill it all back up yet again, and then that way we'll have a nice clean flush. Good, take our mixer here and extract fluid. Now it is just a little bit darker, still has some green in it, so that's good. Now we will fill it back up with new fluid again. All right, that's on the bottom fill point. That's where I checked it at, and it was full, so we'll keep it there, cap it off, then we'll move it to the street. I'm gonna double check it and then add if we need to. After doing so, you're gonna have, it's probably about right to this fill point, so you still have enough to, if you want to drain again, do it one last time, but we'll just keep it there at that time, and I'll definitely be good. And then with the car on level ground, I went to open it up, and I am just a little short. So I'm just gonna take my CHF 11S, getting really close. Like I said, it's got to be on that second fill point line. A little bit more. Top it off. There you go. All set. Well guys, there you have it. The easy DIY on how to extract your old power steering fluid out of your BMW. Make sure to match up the fluid name that's on the top of your reservoir cap with the fluid that you're going to purchase. And then fcpro.com, so that way you can get that lifetime replacement guarantee even on that power steering fluid. You'll get that reimbursement when you go and change it again, so therefore you're covered for the life of your car. Everything will be in the description box below. Go ahead and check that out. And then guys, as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and then comment. See you on the next DIY. Take care.